Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my channel Yella Chanagide. Today let us make a delicious, yummy mango dessert for the summer, which is mango cheesecake. This is totally eggless, no gelatin and no bake cream cheese, no bake mango cheesecake. This is very easy to make and very delicious for the summer. Let's see how to make this mango cheesecake. I'm taking around 15 to 20 digestive biscuit or any biscuit of your choice you can choose and put it in a blender and blend it well to make it a fine powder. Take the biscuit crumbs to a bowl. I'm adding 1/4 cup of melted butter to this. Give it a good mix until both biscuit crumb and the butter is combined well. Now this will use it as the base of the cheesecake. You can also make this cheesecake in a spring foam pan. Today I am making it in a jar and a tub. Line a layer of biscuit crumb at the bottom of the jar in the pan. Make sure it is completely pressed to the bottom. This cheesecake is very easy to make, so do try it at your home and let us know how it turned out to you in the comment section. Now put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. In a bowl, I'm taking 3/4 cup of cream cheese and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. I'm just going to use a blender and mix this well until both the mixture is combined and becomes creamy. You can use a hand whisk too. No need to over mix. Just make sure the texture of the cream cheese is creamy enough. Now to this I'm adding 1/4 cup of fresh cream. I've used Amul fresh cream and half a cup of whipping cream. I've used non-dairy whipping cream. This whipping cream also has sugar in it. Mix it well until both the mixture is combined well and creamy enough. I'm adding half a cup of fresh mango pulp and 2 drops of mango emulsion. Mango emulsion is optional. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Just give this a very good mix. No need to over mix. Just give it a very nice and good mix. Now the creamy mango cheesecake filling is ready to go into the jars. The jars have been setting in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Let us fill the mango cheesecake filling. I'm using a piping bag to make the filling inside. You can fill as much as is required. These cheesecakes are a perfect dessert for the summer and mango cheesecake is very delicious. Set the cheesecake in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Once it is set, you can add the topping of your choice. I'm using mango crush of 1 tablespoon here. You can use fresh mangoes or whipping cream or mango pulp. Make sure to close the lid and freeze the cheesecake. If there is no lid for the container, you can cover it with a clean wrap or a aluminium foil. Once the cheesecake is completely set for overnight, it is ready to be served. Just look at how delicious the mango cheesecake has turned out. You can decorate it with fresh mangoes and enjoy the delicious mango cheesecake. We will be posting more such interesting videos on our channel. Please do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Take care.